In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a 3D character action figure using Gemini AI in what we like to call a tiny man portrait. Let's jump right in and get started with this fascinating process that allows you to bring your creativity to life in a whole new way. First, we'll kick things off by opening up your favorite web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Google Gemini and hit enter. This will bring up a list of results, and you are looking for the link that takes you directly to Google Gemini's official website. Click on that link, and once you're on their homepage, you're in the right place to get started with creating your 3D character. Now, what you're going to want to do next is locate the option that says Create Image. Clicking on this will open up a new interface where all the magic happens. Here, you'll see an icon with a plus sign, which allows you to upload an image. This is an important step, as the image you choose will be the basis for the figure you're about to create. So go ahead and click on the plus sign and select the photo you wish to use. With your image uploaded, the next step is to craft a prompt that will guide the AI in generating your character. This is where your creativity really gets to shine. Let's use an example here, and you can feel free to adapt it as you see fit. Create a hyper-realistic cinematic photograph of a 3-inch tall man sitting thoughtfully on an antique brass doorknob, captured with shallow depth of field and dramatic lighting to emphasize scale and texture. Your prompt should reflect the details you wish to include in the final image, so take your time to refine this description until it's just right. Once you're happy with your prompt, the final step is quite simple. You need to locate and click on the Submit button. What follows is the exciting part, where Gemini AI processes your submission, and within moments, you'll have your custom 3D character action figure ready for review. That's a wrap on how to use Gemini AI for creating a tiny man portrait. You now possess the skills to transform your images into captivating 3D figures with just a few easy steps. Remember, the more detailed and imaginative your prompt, the more impressive your creation will be, so don't hesitate to experiment and have fun with it. Be sure to share your creations with us, as we'd love to see what you've come up with. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!